Sometimes you require a structured response from ChatGPT, and today I'll show you how to do that with the Completions NPM module. So here I have the code that we have been using so far, where I instantiate the Completions NPM module, and we created a chat by using my OpenAI key and the model GPT 3.5 Turbo. And sometimes you want to specify the format in a structured response that you are expecting from ChatGPT, and it's very easy to get that response. So to illustrate that, we're going to create a new variable here called const response equals. I'll wait because this is also an asynchronous call, chat, which is the chat object we just instantiated, send message, and the first parameter for this is the prompt string. So let's say suggest a random startup name. And I want the response for this prompt to be structured. So I'm going to pass in another parameter for this function. And it will be expect. This will be a JSON object. And inside here, the first parameter is examples, where we'll give some examples of what the response should look like. So examples, and in my case, all I want to receive is a name, for instance, OpenAI, and also a domain that I will say openai.com. So this is the response I expect to get from ChatGPT. Now, after this, I need to pass in the schema that will satisfy the response that I want to. So in my case, I'm going to do schema, and inside here, I'm going to do additional properties, false, type will be object, then I'll pass in the properties that I want, properties, and as I said before, I want name, which is type string, and I also want domain, which is also type string. Now, with that out of the way, I can tell if this is which parts of this properties are required. So required, and I want both, so name and string and domain. Now, if I just save all this and run node index.js, and actually let's put a print, a console log here so we can print the response. So console log json.stringify my response. And now save, and if we run this, it seems I missed a token somewhere, line 14. Oh, I should open brackets in here. So there we go, bracket, another curly bracket, save, clear, and run. Now I got it on line 25. Oh, it's a dot over there. It should be a comma. So save it, clear, and run. So required seems to be wrongly spelled. So required. Let's try once again. Oh, It's missing a comma too, so there we go. And there we go. The name will be Innovatex and domain innovatex.com. The finished reason is a stop because this is how it means that this request was over. But anyways, you can see it matches the format that I'm expecting. And this can be as complex as you need it to be. So you can put in more properties that you want to be generated by ChatGPT and just read all those at the very end and expect a specific format to validate if your output matches what you expect. So, if you found this video helpful, please click the like button and consider subscribing to the channel so it can help us grow. I also share this link with a friend and they can learn something too. If you're already subscribed, thank you for that. And if you have any questions, suggestions, or any implementation you'd like to see, please leave it in the comment section below. We always answer all the questions. I hope this content was useful to you and hope to see you back. See you soon. Bye bye.